Combined logos feature an icon or picture combined with the text. The icon or picture is adjoined to the text or nestled beside. They may be separated depending on the design. I'm about to show you some combined logos of my own and an explanation of each. Southeastern Music Gallery is a combined logo designed for a music shop. Here we see a picture of a Gibson Les Paul guitar amalgamated with the stem of the H. This is an example of a combined logo where the actual icon or picture of a guitar in this case cannot be separated. The logo functions as a single effective unit. JDH Academy is a hockey school. In this logo design, a hockey ball stands in for the cross section of the H. This piece is considered as a combined logo design because if we were to take away the hockey player to the left, it would take the logo out of context and the cross section of the H would no longer appear as a hockey ball. As the name suggests, WebClick Traffic is a business specialising in website traffic and search engine marketing strategies. To symbolise the increase in traffic, there is an escalating bar graph as the main symbol of the logo design. The furthermost point of the bar graph on the right stands in as the L of the text. This seals the logo as a singular, both symbol and text. Absolute Media Consulting is an internet design firm. In this design, we see that the top of a pencil stands in as a capital A as the first letter of the company name. With such dependency upon the pencil, the symbol and the text cannot be separated. Both stand together in harmony to deliver an effective design solution. A similar logo is for Architectural, which is an interior design business. Here we see the capital A of the company name being represented by a sketch of a roof. Both the symbol and text are married together and cannot be parted.